Welcome to our tannery. Today, I'll show you exactly how high-quality sheep leather is made, from rawhide preparation to the finished leather, step by step. This batch is excellent.
Grade A, size 12.
After preparation, the hides undergo carefully controlled processing to remove unwanted materials and prepare the fibers for tanning.
Increasing the float level on drum 4.
Every batch is carefully processed and tested to achieve consistent softness, strength, thickness, and quality.
Every finished piece is carefully checked before it leaves the facility.
And that's how high-quality sheep leather is made. From carefully prepared hides to finished leather, ready for the next stage of production.